Good afternoon. This is Keith Brown in Moultrie, Georgia with Commodity Consulting with some commodity commentary for Tuesday. It's about 2:20ish Eastern. Markets tried to lift their heads today, but quickly lost their balance and traded down, except for cotton. And so we'll get right to it. Normally on Tuesday, they've always labeled it Turnaround Tuesday, meaning that whatever you do on Monday, you sort of tend to do the opposite on Tuesday. And of course, yesterday everything was down pretty hard. And for a while, it looked like we did want to come up, but that just wasn't to be the case. Right now, December cotton is trading around 67, 90, up about 25 or so points. Crop ratings came out yesterday and actually deteriorated the crop just a couple of points, but that's really no big deal. The market had some cool weather last week, and that's what was reflective of that deterioration. This week, we're going to have very hot weather across Texas. As a matter of fact, it should hit 100 to 102 Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Of course, there's no rain in the forecast for the moment, so I guess if you come in here next week with no rain for a week, that might start to get the market's attention. Over in the grains today, it's just, the old saying about if it's too good to be true, then it must not be, but the crop is just too good to be true. The corn rating stayed the same, 76% good, excellent. The market tried to rally at one time, but just couldn't do anything with that unchanged number. And we're going to be down about 4 cents in corn. Pretty much that for wheat too. I think wheat is just a natural whipping boy in that bottom pickers, that is to say, people buying corn and buying beans, are selling wheat against that, just as a hedge, if you will, on their spec position. So that's part of the trouble with wheat, I think, and we're still seeing wheat come out of the Black Sea area despite all the trouble in the Ukraine and Russia. And we did see a tender from Taiwan today for some U.S. wheat. There was no money at the table, but they're starting to shop around, I guess. Over in the beans, more demolishment in price. We had a little double low there. November beans around 1065. We took that out. Closed down about 13 cents, around 1058, 1059, and so we can just continue to see good ratings in those beans. It'll take, a pretty quick weather event to turn the beans back up now. I'd venture to say probably half the corn crop is pollinated, and of course the next week is the last week of July, so that's probably happening fast, and then we'll focus on the beans. So tomorrow's the middle of the week. I don't see much change in anything, just more two-sided type trading. If you have any questions or comments, of course, give us a call, 1-800-910-1910. Thanks for listening.